Welcome back to another iHerb unboxing. And this time, I love the eco-friendly packaging. I think it's eco-friendly. So today we got, what was this? Oh, glycine powder, because I use this for sleeping. Got some raw cashews, and I have to be honest with you, I will actually toast these in the oven, but I just wanted to control the toast, if you know what I mean. And maybe I salt them too, but I like to control the salt and the level of toastiness. Vitamin D for my daughter and I, because right now in Taiwan we're on level 3 lockdown, kind of, sort of, so we can't really go anywhere. I can't go anywhere to the stores or anything if it's not my day, and that's according to the number on your ID card. And since we've been inside for almost 6 weeks, I thought it would be nice to get some vitamin D, and I got this kind because the dose is easy to control, because one drop is about 400 IU, so she can get one and I can get two, and we should be good to go. I hope this improves my mood too, because I've been really like feeling down for not being able to go outside lately.
Yeah.
Are you feeling sad about not being able to go outside?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Run around like crazy.
What do you miss most?
Playground.
You miss the playground?
Yeah, the big one.
Oh, the big playground?
I want to show this and all about crazy.
Oh.
Let's stay.
So I also got 2 masks, one for me and one for her. So when it's time to go out, we can double mask. And I saw some really good reviews on this one. And which one is that? That's kids. That's yours. So don't open them yet. I want to wash everything off. And we can double mask and, you know, stay safer, I guess. Thank you, baby. I also got some magnesium citrate because I like trying different kinds of magnesium. So I've tried magnesium malate, magnesium citrate malate combo, magnesium glycinate, and I also tried some magnesium citrate I had gotten from my daughter, and I really like those, so I thought I should get the adult version. Right now I'm giving her magnesium glycinate, and I think she likes the flavor of that one better because it doesn't have the little bits and pieces at the end. Next, I got some Mediterranean red clay powder because I want to cleanse my ear. What is it?
Can I go like get these into the kitchen?
No, I'm gonna wash them right in here. I got some Mediterranean red clay powder because I want to try something different with my hair and with my skin. And also, we're bored. We need stuff to do. Next, I got my resveratrol. And this one comes with green tea extract, grapeseed extract, and Japanese knotweed. And I usually rotate this out with PQQ and Rhodiola rosé. So now it's resveratrol's turn. So let's see how this goes. So far so good. I really like this. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in the box today. And finally, my favorite, plump and rich super snacks. I really enjoy these raisins because they're organic, and no other reasons, because I love raisins anyway. You cannot make a bowl of oatmeal without this. It just does not happen. Do you love these raisins?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they're delicious.
Yeah, they're delicious.
Oatmeal.
Huh?
Because they're delicious with oatmeal.
They're delicious with oatmeal.
Yeah.
And what else?
I don't know.
Powder buns and cookies.
Yeah.
So, that's what we got for today. Can you help me grab the other stuff? I will get these washed up and put away in my cabinet. And I'm not gonna say any lies, but we're just gonna open the raisins and the cashews right now as soon as these are washed up. We're not even gonna wait because we have no chill. I will put the prices for all of this at the cards, in the cards at the end, and you can use my discount code, and you can also get some of this stuff if you like. If you like this video or you have something that you would like to share that I should try from iHerb, you can leave a comment in the If you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, give a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to this channel so you can get to see more videos like this. Until then, live well. Bye.